Hey everyone, and welcome. If it's your first time here, my name is Bella Orengo. I usually do videos about travel, my sorority, and just honestly life in general. Today I want to do something a little bit different because I'm packing up. I'm getting ready to go back to Florida Southern for my senior year, which is just crazy because time is flying. But while I was packing, I realized there's a lot of things that I know to bring because I'm a senior, but as a freshman, I would have just not brought it all because I wasn't thinking about it or nobody told me to bring it. So today's video is all about what you definitely want to bring to college. And at the end, I did a few things that you probably just don't need to bring to college that are gonna take up space in your car while you're driving there, or just collect dust in your dorm room. So let's get started. The first thing that's really important to bring is a power strip just like this, multiple outlets for charging when your friends come over, or just plugging in a few different things. So just bring one of these, it's really easy and will definitely save you time, hassle. Bring two, for sure bring two, because you need one for the bathroom and one for your room. Another thing that I know everyone will bring, but I want to stress, is a mattress pad. Like, invest in a nice mattress pad. You can use it all 4 years, and basically your dorm is now your home. That's where you're sleeping every single night, and you want it to be comfy so you can get good night's rest and just relax in your room without, having a cruddy mattress pad. So definitely invest in a quality mattress pad. For Florida Southern, this isn't too big of a problem, but maybe if you're going to another school, bring a full body mirror. Like, bring a full body mirror, especially if you're a girl. You want to see your full outfit in the mirror. Sometimes that cut you off, or they're just not good mirrors. So buy your own full body mirror, hang it on the back of your door, in your closet, whatever. Florida Southern gives full body mirrors in some of the dorms, but if you're not in Nicholas or Wesley, I would bring one. My fourth thing to bring is a little bit different, but something I definitely really wish I would have known to bring, which is like different outfits and different costumes kind of. In terms of outfits, like bring business casual, bring professional, bring, relaxing clothes, all of those, especially like the business professional and the business casual, because you might be doing mock interviews, you might be going to apply for a job on campus or something, and you want to just look nice and look presentable. The costume section is more for your extracurricular activities. Bring a Hawaiian shirt, bring an America shirt, bring outfits that kind of go with themes, because there's a lot of get-togethers, parties, etc. that you want to have different outfits for. And I know back at home I had an outfit for every single one of those events, but at college I just didn't even think to bring them. So bring a few different options like that, especially because Halloween's coming up and you want to have outfits when you're at school. The next two items literally have saved my life before. No, not saved my life, that's an exaggeration. But bring a mini first aid kit, because you never know if your friend gets cut or you fall or you just need hydrogen peroxide or something like that. Bring just a mini first aid kit to have in your dorm room at all times. And then a mini sewing kit. If you know how to sew, definitely bring one. It will help you out a lot. I know when I lived in the sorority house, my sisters would always bring me their clothes, their shirts, their jeans, whatever, and I would sew them up no problem. And it saved people a lot of money, because you'd usually have to buy a new bathing suit or buy a new skirt or a new shirt. But if you can sew it up, you can fix it. The next ones are a little bit more obvious. A shower caddy, definitely, because you're gonna be going to and from the bathroom, and if you don't wanna leave your things in there, that's how you do that. But towels, and I'm not just talking shower towels, but also towels that you can bring to the pool. You definitely want to bring towels, and not just like one or two. I brought 4 or 5 because I knew I'd be going to the pool a lot. So bring towels that you don't mind bringing to the pool and that you can shower with regularly. This one's super basic: command hooks, command strips. It's how you're gonna hang up all your gear and not put any marks on the wall. You don't want to put marks on the wall. You'll definitely get fined. Another thing I would definitely bring is glass bowls that you can put in the microwave to cook any kind of food you want. Those are important too. The next one is a big pro tip, Buy a laundry basket that rolls, like the rolly laundry baskets, one with wheels on the back. It can be so tiring on a Sunday morning when you're sleepy, you're going to do your laundry, and it's like 100 pounds because you haven't done it in 2 weeks. The rolliness of the basket helps you so much. Trust me on this one. This is like, just buy the rolly one for sure, all the way, 100%. If you are going to school in Florida, or honestly anywhere, just bring an umbrella, bring a raincoat. especially in Florida. It rains every day almost, but just for a little bit. And a rain jacket will really help you, and an umbrella will definitely help you. Bring those 2 items. My last tip is just bring a little carry-on. Like, I know sometimes we bring them to school when we're bringing all of our clothes and stuff, but then we give them to our parents to take home. Keep at least 1 carry-on, because sometimes at school they go on retreats, they have weekend trips, or maybe one of your friends will tell you, hey, come to my house for the weekend. It'll really help if you have a little mini carry-on so that you can travel lightly and travel on the weekends if you want to. So this is just a little list of things not to bring that you don't need to pack ahead of time for college. That would be snacks and school supplies. Those are 2 things. You can buy snacks when you get to college, and you can buy school supplies when you get to college, and you get a list of things that your teacher might want you to have. I know I wasted so much time and so much car space lugging snacks and school supplies to my dorm when I literally just could have bought them at Target when I got to college. So don't waste your time. Don't bring those on the first day when you can just get them later on. Maybe this is just me, but I also brought like a bunch of decorative pillows that I didn't need. They all ended up on the floor. I thought they were gonna make my room look super cute, which my room was super cute, but you don't need like a bunch of decorative pillows. Bring like your 2 solid pillows and then maybe 1 decorative pillow, because they just take up space and they get thrown on the floor. Another thing not to bring, even though I love them, is candles. They're awesome, they smell great, but they're not allowed in a lot of the dorm rooms, so I just wouldn't bring them. Photo albums. This is the last one. If you live far away and you know that photos are really sentimental to you, then yeah, bring a photo album. But I brought 4 photo albums my first year at college, and they just collected dust, they took up space, they were heavy to lug when I went to go move out at the end of the year. So if you are thinking that you need like 5 or 6 photo albums, trust me, you don't. You're gonna be having so much fun at college. You won't be looking through your photo albums as often as you think you will. And that being said, that kind of wraps my list of things to bring and not to bring to college up. I appreciate everyone for watching, and if you are moving into college for the first time and you're a freshman, congratulations, you did it, you made it. The best times of your life are about to be ahead. There's so much change and excitement with attending a new college and school, so I wish you the best of luck, and thanks for watching.